Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add YouTube link to Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then choose your profile and to add YouTube link to Facebook. Okay, tap on your profile icon, click on edit profile, scroll down and tap on links and click on edit and tap on add a new link, click on YouTube and type on your YouTube channel username. Okay, then save and add link YouTube to Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.